Renee from Randburg asked a great question. Why do we sleep? Seems like a crazily simple question, but think about it for a moment. It has to be the weirdest thing that we do. For a third of every day, we shut down our bodies and go into stasis for 8 hours. If we don't, we get increasingly unhappy and frantic until such point that we would sleep rather than run away from danger. You can live without food for longer than you can live without sleep. If sleep was something that only big-brained mammals had to do to reset ourselves, I'd find that slightly less odd. But the truth is, everywhere that scientists have looked for sleep, they've found it. While really simple organisms like bacteria don't really sleep in our sense of the word, they certainly follow a 24-hour rhythm called a circadian rhythm. That means they are more active during the day and are quieter at night. Recent research using advanced imaging technology of birch trees has shown them relaxing each night, drooping their branches by as much as 10 centimeters a couple of hours after sunset and reactivating just before dawn. This is nothing new. Charles Darwin himself noted that plant leaves seem to sleep at night. So, why do we do it? In the case of the trees, it may have something to do with less water pressure in the branches as photosynthesis shuts down for the night. Or it may be that they are actually resting. It takes energy to lift branches to the sun, and perhaps they've evolved to take advantage of a few hours of respite each evening. But for humans, embarrassingly, we don't know. Scientists have been studying sleep for decades, and it's clear that it's vital for human functioning. People who get good sleep are better able to retain information, have improved muscle and bone repair, and are indisputably happier. So it stands to reason that sleep must have something to do with the body's ability to repair little bits of wear and tear after a long day. Most researchers agree that it seems to have something to do with the brain, or specifically the way that neurons interact in the brain. Even very simple neural networks developed in petri dishes in laboratories seem to go through cycles of activity that looks very like sleep. It's fascinating to realize that for all our knowledge and research, the reason for something that we all do every day still eludes us. If you have any questions on science or the environment, drop me a line to simon@5050.co.za.